Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I'm doing Makartt purple polygel on my nails today. So I'm going to use Makartt products. I have the base coat on and I am using this beautiful purple. I cannot wait to use it. I'm so excited. So I'm going to put a quick layer of base coat on and then we'll get started with forming the polygel on top. I'm super excited to try out this purple. I've seen it done by other people and I've loved this color. I love purple nails. It's one of my favorite colors to have in my nails. And it's also my grandmother who passed away. It's her favorite color and it's actually growing on me to become one of my favorite colors as well. And I hope you enjoy purple nails as well. And this weekend is actually her birthday, so this is kind of like a tribute. And she loved butterflies, and every time I see butterflies I think of her. So not even intentionally, but this is going to be a tribute, obviously, because it's her birthday this weekend. So I'm gonna wear these beautiful nails for her this weekend. And on a side note, we are also we have some butterflies coming out of their chrysalis as we speak, so I'm super duper excited. Their wings are starting to dry off. I just gave them some orange slices, so we will be releasing them in her memory as well, as usual. This is an annual tradition that I do for my grandmother who passed, so I'm super excited to do this again. If I can get some pictures, I will insert them so you guys can check them out. The beautiful butterflies. So I'm sticking with my usual. I like almond nails on my hands. It makes my nails look and feel a little bit longer for my fingers. And I enjoy the shape. And so that's what we're doing right now. I'm just going to build it up. Not too thick, but I did need to add a little bit of strength to them because they were feeling a little bit of weakness in them for what I was doing recently. So I gave them a nice layer on there. I hope you enjoy watching this, and I'll come back in just a little bit. Okay, sorry about that. I started to get a little out of frame, so I did cut out the rest of the parts there. And I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see some filing. I haven't added a filing part of the video in a while. I know some people enjoy watching it. I know I really do. And it's one of my favorite things about doing nails is the filing process. And as you can see, because the polygel is so soft, I just used a regular hand file. I didn't find any need to use the nail drill much at all. It's easy to shape and file and smooth out. So I hope you enjoy this process as well. And I always check underneath the nails for any spillage of any polygel or product and clean that up and make it nice and smooth and clean looking, and moving on to the others. And this is in real time for filing, so hopefully you enjoyed that part of the video, guys. And we'll do a quick buff out with the purple block, make it nice and smooth, and then we'll move on to the nail stamping. I just love the look of almond nails. I think they're so pretty. I know some people hate it, but I absolutely love it, and I like it on myself. So hopefully you guys like it as well. I love this shade. It's so beautiful. That color is so pretty. Okay, so I pulled out as many stamps that I have that have any type of butterfly on them. So I'm going to go through some of these. So if you need to catch the number or anything, you can just pause the video. This one's hard to tell because of that clear plate. That's annoying, but it does have a butterfly down there. You can see where I point. Okay, and then I think couple more. I don't think I used that one. That one doesn't have butterflies. I think I was looking through it. No, it doesn't have butterflies, I don't think. So I'll put that one to the side. And that one has a big one. I meant to use that big one on both hands, but I think I only have it on one, unfortunately. It's super pretty. And those, yeah, they have little ones there, so that'll work out for like my pinkies and stuff and filling in. I feel like I need to get some new stamps for butterflies. So if you do have a good butterfly stamping plate, please leave it in the comment below so I can check it out. Thank you in advance. And I was running out of my black, so I struggled a little bit, but I finally got it to come together. So I do need to reorder my black stamping polish. Hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful weather. If it's been beautiful by you guys, I don't know. It's been beautiful by us in Massachusetts, and we are officially on summer break. Yay! My son is now officially going into 5th grade. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. If you've been watching for a while, you have seen him grow up. He's been visiting my channel, helping me on my channel since he was a little toddler. So I just can't believe he's so big. He's going to be 10 soon. In about a week or so, he'll be 10. I can't believe it. So we'll be enjoying this summer a lot. We have a lot planned. We're finally going to be vacationing, which we haven't done since 2020. We haven't gone anywhere, so we will be traveling and vacationing. So I hope to share that with you guys as well. And if you want to see that, let me know, and I will vlog for you if you want to. It'll be so much fun. Okay, so here I'm trying to figure out shiny or matte. What to do. I couldn't decide, and I'm not one to really care if they match. So what do you think I did? At first I thought I was gonna do all matte because I was so in the mood for matte nails, and then I was like, well, maybe I'll make the butterflies the shiny part and the purple the matte. I thought that would be so pretty also. But in the end, I went with one hand shiny and one hand matte. I had to have that gloss, and I wanted that beautiful flat matte. It's so pretty. Wait till you guys see it. And to finish this off, you have to put on some cuticle oil. Gotta condition that skin. Make sure it looks so nice and smooth and clean, and it smells so good. I love this oil. It smells so yummy. And that completes it. What do you think? Matte or shiny? Oh, I love them both. I love it. I'm obsessed. Butterfly obsessed for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know which one, if you like one more than the other, if you like them both, if you would do a complete butterfly set, let me know. Oh, I just love this so much. And I know my grandmother would absolutely love this also. So happy birthday. Happy heavenly birthday to my meme. My grandma. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.